Life can take unexpected turns. One moment you're climbing the corporate ladder, and the next, you're standing at the base, looking for a new mountain to conquer. But remember, every end is a new beginning, and this could be your chance to start a fresh career that aligns with your passions and skills. Step 1. Reflect on your interests. Before you dive headfirst into job applications, take a moment to consider what truly ignites your passion. Is it the world of finance or the creative sphere of graphic design? Maybe it's the dynamic field of technology or the nurturing environment of teaching. Identifying your interests can guide you towards a career that not only pays the bills, but also brings you joy. Step 2. Evaluate your skills. Look back at your previous roles and identify the skills you've honed. Transferable skills such as leadership, communication, problem-solving, and adaptability can be valuable assets in any career. Step 3. Research potential careers. Once you've identified your interests and skills, start researching potential careers. Look at the qualifications required, the work environment, salary ranges, and growth opportunities. This will give you a clearer picture of what to expect. Step 4. Upskill. If your desired career requires skills you don't yet have, consider further education or training. Online platforms offer a plethora of courses that can help you acquire new skills or enhance existing ones. Step 5. Network. Reach out to professionals in your desired field. They can provide insights about the industry, potential job openings, and even refer you to recruiters. Remember, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. Step 6. Apply for jobs. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each job application. Highlight your transferable skills and explain why you're the perfect fit for the role. Don't get discouraged if you don't land the first job you apply for. Persistence is key. This journey of starting a new career might seem daunting, but it's also an opportunity to reinvent yourself professionally. To recap, starting a new career involves reflecting on your interests, evaluating your skills, researching potential careers, upskilling if necessary, networking, and applying for jobs. Remember, every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end, so take this as an opportunity to embark on a career that aligns with your passions and skills. And soon, you'll be climbing a new mountain, one that leads to the peak of professional fulfillment.